Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I wanted to get this information over to you about the Greensky program settlement. That one of our clients has been involved with this, and for some reason they had sent this to his email, and he didn't even know it went to his spam box. So he didn't know, and it's been let's see, they sent it originally sometime in May, and like you've always known when I've told you about these settlements, they move very slow. But and it says here that you can't even respond after 2022. I don't know what that is. To consider your eligibility for compensation for the settlement, you must respond to guidelines no later than July 10th, 2022. So that's he's already missed that, but you don't really care about that because it's not going to be much of a settlement on there. What he cares about is that he never had this account with this company. He was a victim of ID theft. We submitted to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and they had reached a settlement. So a postcard came in the mail stating that he was included, but they still had the information on his credit reports, and we're trying to see what we can do to get that taken care of. And keep in mind that we actually talked directly to this company with him on three-way, uh, with a representative that was supposed to take care of this, with a representative who actually looked and saw the notes, everything. But it just seems like this is moving slow on getting the information off his credit reports, and it's actually hurting him. So here is the proposed settlement, and it's being taken care of by Rust Consulting. They seem to do a lot of these. If you go to the website, you can see that they have a form. If you would have got the postcard, I think your postcard would have came in the mail, uh, or the claimant number. Here it is right here. We can actually put his information in there. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to submit this, even though they said that couldn't be done at a certain time. But we're going to just go ahead and submit it and just see what happens. But if you were involved with Green Sky Payments, with any of their programs that they had available, it's not just for this. It was, if we read it here, Consumer Financial Protection reached a settlement with Greensky regarding the loan origination servicing practices of Greensky and certain merchants that resulted in unauthorized loans, which is what happened with him. You may be eligible for compensation for the loan, or in the form of a loan reduction, loan cancellation, or refund of prior loan payments as part of this settlement. I'm not sure what it means for people who had a loan. Why would you pay one if they had an unauthorized loan? But for him, this is the part, and I want you to pay attention to Green Sky LLC. They were actually making unauthorized loans. So I don't even know how they were able to get away with that. You can go to the website. Here is the URL right there, greenskyprogramsettlement.com. And if you click it, you can see there's a form where you fill out. Um, he got in his email, you saw that, the claim ID number. And so if you got that where you were, and also it went to his spam box. So check your email. I'm going to go back to that email. If you want to check your spam box, it would have had important information about Green Sky Program Loan Settlement. So you might want to search that in your email box so you can see what you can do to get that Green Sky Settlement claimant ID number. You're going to need that to get the process started. But even if, regardless, you can print this here, and you know you have your claimant settlement claimant ID number. You could just submit to have that information removed off your credit report utilizing that email that they sent you. All right, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. You can, if you need help, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch the video, what makes us different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my two-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your, the number 3scores.com. You can get your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports. If you have debt collectors coming after you, please grab my 3-pack of letters, statute of limitations, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation. Any of those letters I will help you with third-party debt collectors that are trying to send you the 30-day letter to respond to. And you can make a donation if you feel that it was valuable to you because it could save you time, money, and a lot of frustrations dealing with debt collectors. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the channel. Please post your questions and comments. And please like this video.